week we are talking about subtraction in math. And we learned that we can write our subtraction problems vertically, kindergarten. So 8 minus 4 equals. Yesterday we used objects to help us count, to help us subtract. Today we are going to use illustrations. Here is Miss Stoller right here. Okay, so when we subtract, we are taking a big number and we're taking it apart to make two small numbers. We know how to do this, kindergarten. We've done it before. We are good at this. So, my subtraction sentence today says 8 minus 4. Well, let's pretend Miss Stoller here has 8 strawberries. What shape do I use when I illustrate my math problems? I use circles. So I'm going to draw 8 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are my 8 strawberries. We are subtracting, which means we have a minus sign. A minus sign is like a butter knife. It slices apart the number so that we have a smaller number. 8 minus 4. I have 8 strawberries. I'm going to take away 4 of them. I'm going to slice 4 of them away. Does that mean I'm going to draw more? No, I am not drawing more. I am crossing off 4 of them. Remember, when we subtract, we are taking away. So Miss Stoller has 8 strawberries, and I am going to take away 4 of them. I have 8. I'm taking away 4. So I'm going to cross off 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many strawberries do I have left, kindergarten? Let's count them up. Whenever we count our illustrations, we put a dot on them. That way we know what we've already counted. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 left over. Whoop, stay right there. So now, let's see what our subtraction sentence says. Would you please read this with me? 8 minus 4 equals 4. We had 8 strawberries. Miss Stoller ate 4 of them, so we had to cross off 4 of them. We got rid of them, and now we have 4 left. Kindergarten, make sure that you have a piece of paper or a dry erase board. Let's do 2 more of these problems together before you go play your game and do your worksheet for today. All right, kindergarten, here is our next subtraction problem. 10 minus 0 equals. Okay, get ready to draw with me. So let's say Miss Stoller has 10 warm fuzzies in her bucket. Let's draw 10 warm fuzzies. Remember, we just use circles. They're so much easier. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My 10 warm fuzzies. Our subtraction problem says 10 minus 0. Well, Miss Stoller has no warm fuzzies taken out of her bucket. So how many do I need to cross off? 0. I'm not crossing off anything, kindergarten, because 0 means nothing. I have 10, and none of them got taken away. So now we need to count up how many we have left. Let's count and put a dot on each circle that we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 0 equals 10. I have 10 warm fuzzies. I took away 0 of them. None of them got taken away. So I have 10 warm fuzzies left over. That's my difference, my answer. 10 minus 0 equals 10. Let's do one more problem together. So kindergarten, Mr. Jake loves animals. And in Mr. Jake's family, they have a ton of animals. So let's pretend that someone in Mr. Jake's family has a dog. So let's say Mr. Jake's dog has 9 puppies. Our subtraction sentence today starts with 9. So Mr. Jake's dog has 9 puppies. Let's draw circles for the puppies. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a lot of puppies, kindergarten. So Mr. Jake's dog has 9 puppies. Well, Mr. Jake can't take care of all those puppies. He's a busy guy. So he needs to give some of the puppies away, kindergarten. 9 minus 7. Mr. Jake gives 7 of the puppies away. So are we going to draw more circles or cross off some circles? We're going to cross off some circles. So we need to cross off 7. We're giving away 7 puppies. Let's cross off 7 circles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many puppies is Mr. Jake going to keep? How many puppies does Mr. Jake have left over? Let's count them up. Remember, put a dot on your circles when you're counting them. 1, 2. 2 puppies left over. Let's read our subtraction problem, kindergarten. Here we go. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Mr. Jake had 9 puppies. He gave 7 of them away, and now he has 2 puppies to keep so he can take care of them all by himself, with Miss Dollar's help, of course. Kindergarten, you are doing a great job today. I'm sorry to tell you, Mr. Jake doesn't really have puppies. I just made that up for our subtraction problem today. But if Mr. Jake ever does find a puppy, or gets a puppy, or any of the dogs in his family have puppies, I will be sure to let you know. In the meantime, instead of puppies today, you get a warm fuzzy, kindergarten. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you guys later.